This pattern will always help you predict the price, where to enter, where to stay, where the loss will be, or where you will get it. Only and only chart patterns will tell you. They will show you trends changing. They will give you a feeling like a living thing's intention is changing. The buyers are exhausted, sellers are starting to come in, the price is stalling, the price is forming large candles. How will we know all this? Because we cannot know the intentions of these people. Where do their intentions reflect? All these intentions and motives are reflected. The reflection of their motive on the chart. Factories of the action date. Always remember, these people can fake their future actions. They can create fake DMs, fake demand markets. They can deceive you volume-wise, but the action that has already happened, the action taken, that data cannot be changed. So that is when to understand the movement of the candles. So first pattern that. We have this double top and double bottom, double top and bottom are very easy patterns. This pattern that forms at the bottom looks like a W, and when this pattern forms at the top, it looks like an M. But there is one thing you need to remember. Traders are often confused about whether this pattern, double top or double bottom, is a way for the price to move because there is a psychology behind it. It is not necessary that it will always be okay. It is not necessary that it will be the exact same double top. Double bottom can be pips up and down, so we have to be open-minded and think of this like a living thing, like a living player. That shot doesn't always land in the right place. It's the same player. In the same amount of time, a runner cannot always complete a 100-meter sprint. So we have to understand, the market is also a living thing. It's not math. It's not 1 + 1 = 2 or double top. If you make it like this, then it's an exact formula. It's a physics equation. No, it is not like that. It is a live thing. Sometimes it will go much higher, sometimes lower. So we have to keep on adapting with that. So now double top and double bottom. They are forms of strong trends. This is often a reversal pattern. It is not a trend-in pattern. We will discuss this further. Which patterns are trend continuation patterns? Which patterns are reversal patterns? So whenever there is a big movement, the price has risen a lot or the price has fallen a lot, we will wait for it and identify it. As you can see in the pictures, its neckline forms when the candle crosses this neckline. When this neckline is broken, we enter into it. Our sell is below the top or bottom. So how much profit do we make? It should be the exact value, exactly just for example, the distance of the double top, for example, 50 pips. So how much profit will it make? It will be exactly 50 pips. So we need to focus more on this and keep in mind that if we have a distance of 100 pips, the profit target of the neckline and double top or bottom would be the same, 100. Now the next pattern we have is called head and shoulders. This is also the same pattern, reversal pattern. It is found at the top in an uptrend and at the bottom in a downtrend. Just like the example I explained, we wrote a book at the start. We cannot measure it exactly if two tops are formed. Double top, 3 are formed, and the top in between them. Higher than the rest of the two, you will get a head and shoulders, and if all 3 tops are equal, you will get a triple top and triple bottom. So this is just to understand that price action varies, but we need to understand its purpose, why it is forming. The trader is getting tired of it, reaching the top. The price rises and falls, the price rises and falls. Traders who were in an uptrend or downtrend have lost courage or have moved towards profit taking. So we will find interest, reversal and collection. So we will trade that. You can see it in this way as well. The neckline that forms, the distance from the top to the neckline, we will measure that. That will be our profit target, and above the head, our heads will be the same as. There is nothing different in this that we need to look at.